Today we come to Mweri or Wanguru for us to present the chapa dimba tournament that we've been doing all around the country. The chapa dimba that is going to happen in Wanguru will be to 8 provinces. So Central will be the last one, and we have already selected about 14 teams, and we are waiting for the 2 teams that will come from this region so that we can hit the 16 teams that will represent, that will go and play in Kisumu, I think in the week of 14th next month. Having said that, we are very proud to bring the tournament to Wanguru, and this is a reason. Wanguru has been part of the place where the businesses are really supporting us from an M-Pesa perspective. The businesses are also, we are also seeing a lot of customers being part of us. And we are very proud being in Wanguru over the weekend to help this.